Hi all, this is Mahesh here. This is my first session, Network Firewall Technology Complete Overview. What is network firewall? A network firewall can be a hardware-based physical device, software-based installed on servers, cloud-based virtual firewall in cloud environments. Its main goal is to block unauthorized access, prevent cyber attacks, control traffic flow, enforce security policies. Companies like Cisco and Palo Alto Networks build advanced firewall solutions for enterprise. How firewall works? Firewall always data packets based on the source IP addresses, destination IP addresses, port numbers, protocols, TCP, UDP, ICMP, application data in advanced firewalls. They use a rule-based systems, allow or deny. Types of network firewalls. Number one is packet filtering firewall, stateless. Filters the packets based on the IP port protocol but less secure. Fast, fast but less secure. Doesn't track connection state. Stateful inspection firewall tracks active connections, allows only legitimate traffic, more secure than packet filtering. Third one, proxy firewall application level gateway acts as an intermediary between users and internet, hides internal network, can inspect application layer data. Fourth one is next generation firewall, that is NGFW. It's deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention systems, application awareness, cells SSL inspection, malware detections, examples vendors, Fortinet, Checkpoint. Firewall deployment types, perimeter firewall, placed at the edge of the network between LAN and the internet. Internet internal firewall segments internal networks to prevent lateral movement. Cloud firewall. Cloud firewall protects cloud infrastructures, AWS, Azure, etc. Cloud providers, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, key firewall technologies, NAT, network address translation, hides internal IP addresses from internet. VPN support allows secure remote access. Intrusion detection and IPS does detect and blocks malicious activities. Deep packet inspection DPI inspects packets, clients beyond the headers. SSL TLS inspections decrypts encrypted traffic for threat analysis. The firewall rules and policies. In firewall rules are typically follow default deny policy, least privilege principle, port-based filterings, IP-based filterings, application-based filterings. Example, allow HTTP port 80, HTTPS 443, block telnet port 23. Attack type and protection methods. In common firewall attacks and protections, DDoS is rate limiting, port scanning is stealth rules, malware is TPI and IPS, SQL injections is application filtering. Advantages of network firewalls: strong perimeter defense and centralized control, traffic monitoring, cannot stop threats, internal threats alone, encrypted traffic visibility issues, AI powered threat detections, zero trust architecture, cloud native firewalls, SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, integration with SEIM tools. Firewall versus other security systems. Firewall, traffic filtering, antivirus, file scanning, IDS and IPS, threat detections, SEIM is log analysis. Network firewall technology is a core component of cybersecurity architecture. From a sample, for a simple packet filtering to advanced AI-powered NGFW systems, firewalls protects networks against unauthorized access, malware, and cyber threats. Basic understandings for day-to-day operations in network security firewall. In daily monitoring task, check firewall health, CPU usage, memory usage, interface status up slash down, throughput utilization, hardware alerts, vendor commonly used in operations, Palo Alto networks, Fortinet's, Cisco. Monitor security logs. Check logs for denied traffic, suspicious IP addresses, port scanning attempts, brute force login attempts, malware detections. Tool often integrated SCIM platforms, example log monitoring systems, email alert systems. Review alerts and incidents. Investigate high severity alerts. Verify if it's a false positive or real threat. Escalate to the SOC team if needed. Block malicious IP if required. Firewall rule management is very important. Add new rules, example, allow new application access, permit new server communication, modifying existing rules, update source destination IP, change ports, restrict access, remove unused rules, clean up old rules, improve security posture, reduce rule conflicts. Always follow the change management process. Approval workflow, proper documentation, user access, VPN support, daily tasks may include creating VPN users, creating resetting VPN passwords, troubleshooting VPN community, checking VPN logs. Common VPN remote access solutions include Global Protect, Palo Alto, FortiClient, Fortinet, AnyConnect, Cisco. Troubleshooting connectivity issues. When user says application is not working, you should check is the traffic is hitting the firewall, is it being denied by a rule, NAT configuration correct, routing issues, port open. Basic troubleshooting follow ping, trace route, check logs, verify policy, check NAT. NAT management. The daily NAT related checks, public IP mapping, port forwarding, outbound NAT policies, conflicting NAT rules, policy-based practices for daily ops follow these principles. Least privilege, default deny policy, log critical rules, regular policy review, avoid any to any allow rules. Firmware updates. Periodic task, check for firmware updates, schedule upgrade window, backup configuration before upgrade, verify the services after upgrade, backup and documentation. Daily, weekly, take firewall configuration backup, update network diagrams, maintain the rule documentation, maintain IP addresses, mapping records. Common issues you will handle. The issue what you check. Website blocked, URL filtering logs, server not reachable, policy plus NAT, VPN not connecting, user authentication logs, slow internet, bandwidth utilization usage, suspicious traffic, threat logs. Basic skills required for firewall operations: understanding TCP/IP, ports, protocols, knowledge, OSI model basics, NAT concepts, log analysis skills, basic routing knowledge, change management process. Simple daily routine examples: troubleshoot ticket, morning, check firewall health dashboard, review critical alerts, review overnight logs, during day, process the rule, change requests, troubleshoot tickets, support VPN users, end of day, confirm no crucial alerts, pending, update documentation, backup the configuration if changes is made. Thank you all for listening this video. Bye.